Okay, so here's a Bairdi. Let's break it down. 3 legs. There's actually one missing, so it'll come with about 4 legs. 3 of these nice juicy ones, and then this one really nice claw. A lot of great meat in there. So what I like to do to make it easier to get into my pot and to also divide it up between 2 people, because I think one cluster is plenty for 2 people as a snack or as an appetizer, as part of a big dinner or something. So I'm going to take apart the legs, take the legs from the body, and crack. There you go. Easy peasy. Then for the body, so this is the underside, right? And this is the top side. So we've removed the heavy carapace that's on top, and all that's left is the light cartilage here and the very tender meat on the inside. So because these will steam really fast, and this one might take a little bit longer, even though they're cooked, just to heat through because it is thicker and bigger, I like to cut in half just through the body. That way, 2 people can sort of pick at the same cluster. So I'm going to go that way, and I'm going to start cooking, and I will see you in a little bit.